To enable Face ID for Cash App, you'll need a compatible iPhone and the latest app version. Face ID requires an iPhone 10 or newer model with the TrueDepth camera system. First, you must set up Face ID in your iPhone's system settings. Go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Follow the prompts to scan your face and complete the initial Face ID enrollment. Once Face ID is set up on your iPhone, open the Cash App. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then select Privacy and Security from the menu options. In the Privacy and Security menu, look for the Face ID option and toggle it on. You may be prompted to complete a facial recognition verification to confirm your identity and finalize the setup process. Once enabled, Face ID provides secure and convenient access to your Cash App. You can use it for primary authentication when opening the app, transaction verification for payments, secure account access, and quick peer-to-peer transfers. Cash App's Face ID feature provides multiple layers of security protection. The system uses advanced biometric authentication that goes far beyond simple password protection. The most important security feature is local processing. Your biometric data never leaves your iPhone. The facial recognition happens entirely on your device using Apple's secure Enclave processor. All authentication data is encrypted using hardware security modules. This means even if someone gained access to your device storage, your biometric information would be completely unreadable. Now let's cover the essential best practices. First and most important, keep your iOS updated. Security patches are regularly released to protect against new threats. Periodically re-enroll your Face ID for optimal accuracy. Changes in appearance, lighting conditions, or even seasonal changes can affect recognition performance. Always monitor your account activity for any unauthorized access attempts. Set up notifications for all transactions and regularly review your transaction history. Be aware of Face ID limitations. Masks, sunglasses, poor lighting, or significant changes in appearance can prevent successful authentication. Always have your backup PIN ready. The security improvements are impressive. Cash App reports a 60% decrease in unauthorized access attempts after implementing Face ID, with a 92% user approval rating for convenience.